Today, we're going to break down an important concept in algebra, the characteristics of roots in quadratic equations. So let's get started. When we talk about roots, we're referring to the solutions of a quadratic equation. The roots of a quadratic equation can tell us a lot about the graph of the equation and how it behaves. So what exactly are the different characteristics of these roots? The characteristics of the roots of a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, is determined by the discriminant b squared minus 4ac. Assuming that a, b, and c are rational numbers, then if b squared minus 4ac is a perfect square not equal to 0, the roots are said to be rational and unequal. Now, if b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, the roots are rational and equal. But if b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0 but not a perfect square, the roots are irrational and unequal. Lastly, if b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are said to be imaginary. For example, let us find the discriminant, their roots, and characteristics. To solve each quadratic equation, I'm going to use only one method, that is by using the quadratic formula to determine the discriminant easily. The quadratic formula is given by x is equal to negative b plus n minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, where ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the general form of a quadratic equation, and the discriminant is given by b squared minus 4ac. Now let's go through each equation in detail. Number 1, x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. First step is we need to identify the coefficients a, b, and c. Here, the value of a is equal to 1. For the value of b, is negative 1, and the value of c is negative 2. Now calculate the discriminant by the given formula b squared minus 4ac. Substitute the values of a, b, and c. Further simplifying, we will get the square of negative 1 is 1. Then the product of negative 4, 1, and negative 2 is positive 8. Now this will give us a discriminant which is 9. Since the discriminant is a perfect square, the roots will be rational and unequal. Next, find the roots using the quadratic formula. Again, we need to substitute the values of a, b, and c plus the discriminant value. Take note that the discriminant value is inside our square root. Substitute 9 as the discriminant value for the first equation, so we will have the square root of 9. The negative of negative 1 is positive 1. The square root of 9 is 3. Then it leaves us with two roots. One is 1 plus 3 over 2, which will give us the value, which is 2. And the second root will be given by 1 minus 3 over 2, which will have a negative result. Now the roots are 2 and negative 1. Second equation, x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. First, let's find the coefficients a, b, and c. The value of a is 1, b is negative 2, and c is positive 1. Substitute the values of a, b, and c in our discriminant formula, b squared minus 4ac. Simplify, negative 2 squared is equal to 4. Next, the product of 4, and both ones here will give us 4. So the discriminant is equal to 0. The roots will be rational and equal. Let us find the roots using the quadratic formula by substituting again the values of a, b, and c, and the discriminant value. Inside the square root is our discriminant value. Put 0 inside our square root. Further simplifying, we will get the negative of negative 2 is positive 2. and the square root of 0 is still 0, so the two roots will be written as 2 plus 0 over 2 for the first root, which is equal to 1, and the second root will be 2 minus 0 divided by 2, which is still equal to 1. These are the two solutions, but we have obtained the answer twice. So we can have quadratic equations for which the solution is repeated. So the root is 1 repeated. For the third equation, we have x squared plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Identify the coefficients a, b, and c. The value of a is 1, b is 1 as well, c is negative 1. Substitute these values to our discriminant formula. We will get 1 squared minus the product of 4, 1, and negative 1. Further simplifying, 1 squared is equal to 1. The product of negative 4, 1, and negative 1 will be positive 4. So the discriminant is 5. Since the discriminant is positive but not a perfect square, the roots will be irrational and unequal. Let us find the roots using the quadratic formula. The discriminant is 5, so substitute that as b squared minus 4ac in our quadratic formula. So the roots are negative 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2 and negative 1 minus the square root of 5 over 2, which are irrational and unequal. For the last equation, x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. The coefficients a, b, and c are all 1. Substitute these values to our discriminant formula. B squared minus 4ac will give us 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1. 1 squared is equal to 1. The product of 4 and both 1 will give us 4. This yields a negative discriminant. So the roots will be imaginary. Now let us find the root using the quadratic formula. By substituting the values of a, b, and c and the discriminant value, we will get -1 plus and a minus the square root of our discriminant, which is -3 over 2 times the value of a. Take note that this expression here square root of -3 can be written as the square root of -1 times 3, where the square root of -1 is equal to I, or the imaginary number. So, the square root of -3 can be written as I times the square root of 3. Going back to our quadratic formula and the values there, we will get x is equal to -1 plus and a minus I times the square root of 3 over 2. That's it for the characteristics of roots. If you have any questions or topic suggestions, drop them in the comments. See you next time.